Good morning, ma'am. My name is Avni of class 6C. Today I'll show you my leaves collection made with the guidance of my teacher, Mrs. Rashmi, ma'am. This is the leaf of papaya tree. This is the leaf of galgal tree. This is the leaf of pattajat tree. This is the leaf of Christmas tree. This is the leaf of lily plant. This is the leaf called bel patra, and this is the leaf of glow plant. This is the leaf of money plant. This is the leaf of rose plant. This is the leaf of tulsi. This is the leaf of ajwain plant. This is the leaf of ashoka tree. This is the leaf of guava tree. This is the leaf of jamun tree. This is the leaf of hibiscus. This is the leaf of peepal tree. This is the leaf of kali tree. This is the leaf of mango tree. These leaves are known as neem. This is the leaf of ramdhori. This is the leaf of brinjal tree. This is the leaf known as kadi patta. This is the leaf of palm tree. Thank you.